Good evening traders, it's Simon here. Today's video is just on a guide on how to use Saxo with the way I trade, with placing orders and placing trades in general. For this exercise I'm going to be using a simulated environment. I'm not going to use a live account because you don't really need to see my live account in all fairness, but this is the platform I use. Obviously it's exactly the same as the live. I've set it up already, so I've already accepted the agreements and everything else that comes up. So when you log in, it'd be once you remember all that, I'll have all that. That will then be your next screen. So when we click login now, it'll just log you into the actual general platform, as we can see here. Now you've got three squares here. Your bottom square at the bottom here tells you your positions and your orders. We've got nothing there at the moment. Obviously at the very bottom tells you how much cash available, value and margin, and tells you a little percentage bar of margin. On the top right hand corner, this is like your charting stuff. I don't use it, to be honest. I use what do you call it, trading view. I forgot what it was then. And on your left hand side you got all your trades or your pairs you can do. So if obviously the pair you're going to log in most likely won't be here, and you want to add to this square on the left hand side, just click edit, add instrument, and here you can add any instrument you want here whatsoever. So we want to do Aussie CAD, and that's what we got there for the spot forex. There we are. Then click done, and now that's it done. Now if you want to change the instrument, the layouts of them, like the way they cascade down, you can change it this way, or you can change it by the net change. You can do it by position, whatever you want. You can click wherever you want here, but we have it though, it's alphabetical order. So let's say you want to place an order for Aussie CAD. So just double click on it. The square comes up here, and where it's got type, you got quick trade. Just click on click trade, and you want it depends exactly how you're going to do this. So I'm going to show you a trade idea, and we'll go from there. So this is Aussie CAD. What a surprise! I set this one up already. This is Aussie CAD, and if you notice here, I've got my entry order at 99579. Okay, now that means price has to come up to that to tag me in, because clearly I want to go short there, because the green is where I want it to go, red is where I don't want it to go. So I expect price to come up, tag me in with the order, then move back down again. So 99579. Let's say 9958. Let's change that slightly, make life a little bit easier. So 9958 is where we want to place our order. So we go back to Saxo, and we want a limit order, because the limit order is where you're looking for reversal. So you're looking where you want to go that way. So we click on limit order, and the first thing we do, we're going to do the price. 9958 is the price. Now here is the lot size, and these lot sizes are done in 100,000s for one standard lot size. So let's now go back to the position size calculator here. Now let's go back here again. We've got £100,000 in this account. We have, it's all GBP. Yep. So we change this down to pounds. 100,000. We want to risk 1% of our account. That's it. Now it's asking for a stop loss in pips, so we click there, and it tells you here 48.5 pips plus a little bit of spread. The spread's about 1 pip, so we can do 50 pips. We can there. So we put in 50 pips, and then we go down the drop down menu, change it to Aussie CAD, and there in the units is what we need. So we can do 347,000, what you want. So click back there, 347,000, that's what we want. Now duration, now if you click on here, you've got a day order which will last for up until the end of the forex day. So if it's 9:30 at night, I've done this before, and you click day order and you meant it for another 24 hours, it won't work that way. You need to select a date for that, you would. Okay, obviously it's after 10 o'clock at night, like say 10:30 PM at night on UK time GMT, you can click day order and it lasts you for the whole entire day. So we've got that there. Then we want to add in our take profit and our stop loss. So let's go back to our trade again. Our stop loss is at 1.00065. So we just click on stop loss, stop. Then you see here pips. If you click on that, there's a little drop down menu. Click on price, and you can type the pricing you want, 1.00065. Now take profit. We click on that one as well, exactly the same way. And you can put your profit. We want to take it in there. We want 988 I'm going to put 9887 to make my life easier there. That one there, drop down menu, 0.9887. You click apply, and now you want to buy or sell. Now clearly you want to sell this one, so click sell. Bear in mind it's a limit order, so it's going to place an order in the market for you. Then it tells you what you're laying out here. So it tells you the account, tells you how much, it tells you it's a limit order type limit, tells you the price you want to get in at, how long it's going to last for. This is where you want to get out. This is where your stop is. This is the cost it will cost you in putting the actual trade on. This is the impact of margin, it'll be 4,000. Click confirm. It comes on the right hand side telling you what you've done. Thank you very much. And at the bottom here, bottom box, click on orders. You've got your trade there. Now let's say for example you want to take a live trade in the market. Exactly the same trade. You see it's got quick trade there and we want to sell. Click once to activate it, click twice to actually do it, and it's done straight away. That's it, it's in the market already. And as you can see here now, we're short by 347,000 units to the downside. Now obviously you want to add stops and limits to this as well. You just click on add and you can add your stop there. To be honest, I don't really care too much about that in all fairness, but you get the idea what you're looking for. And yeah, that's how you use the Saxo platform in a very easy way to start with. Obviously there's more bits and bobs as you go along, so you've got some news stuff here they do. You've got trade signals as well. These trade signals, they tell you what they believe will happen each day. So for example, you can go, I want to know what's going to happen on the 60-minute chart, and these are the trades they think are really good in the 60-minute chart, which are either breakout or approaching. So if you want to do the breakout, that's kind of like it's breaking out already. And obviously, give you an example. So they're bearish on the 1 hour chart as of 4 o'clock this afternoon. And let's take a look why. There you go. It broke out their trend line to the downside. They want to enter and they want to get their profit in at, you can see it here, you can take profit at 1.2397. That's where they think it'll go next. So this is what they do, their trade ideas. You got that as well on Saxo. Then you got your account details as well. So this doesn't really help you at all because it's a demo. It doesn't give you all the full bits and bobs which you can do there. Like for example, you do this trade executed. You know no trade has ever been executed on this account, and yet sometimes they have actually. I haven't done it this time. I know in the past they used to put a fake one up for you, but you get the idea. You can use this as well in that way, however you feel. So that's the basic way of how it works. It's very simple once you get used to it. The only thing remember is just the lot size stuff. It's all done in units, okay? If you want to do indexes, it's all done in local currency. So if you've got the yen index, for example, the Nikkei 225, that's all priced up in yen, and you have to convert it to your own currency to know how many units of that you want. So just be careful on that. Barrels of oil is done per barrel or per 100 barrels, one of the two. Silver's done per, I think, 50 ounces. Gold's done per 1 ounce. We can do a little check there. Can we do 1 ounce? Can we? Can we buy 1 ounce of gold? Yeah, we can buy 1 ounce of gold, no problem. If you do silver, again, if you want to look at this, just do that. Click on Add Instrument, Silver. It comes up there for you as well. Click done. It's at the bottom there, in there straight away. I don't think you can buy 1 ounce of silver. Oh, you can buy 1 ounce. I know on my platform, no, I can't buy 1 ounce of silver. Oh, that's gold. I tried buying those. Sorry, guys. I know I can't buy 1 ounce of silver on my platform. The minimum order must be above the minimum. Or what's the minimum order? Let's go 50 ounces. Okay, I can't do a 50 ounce trade on that anyway, but you get the idea how it all works. So they do live ones in the market. If you've got 2 trades open on gold like we have here, you've got a little plus there, click the plus, and then both of them come down together there, and you can pick whatever you want there. Okay guys, thank you very much. Any questions, give me a shout. Take care.